Good morning, students. In our previous video, we will dealing with our chapter working with layers. In today's video, we will deal about animations using multiple layers. So in our previous video, you have already learned about various layers in Flash, how to hide, unhide a layer, how to lock, unlock a layer, and how to change the order of layers. So in today's video, I will be dealing with how to create an animation using multiple layers. Each layer will contain different content which will be played together in an animation. So for this you have to first open a new Flash document and you have to create a layer 1 and give the name as sky layer. So we are giving the layer 1 and renaming it as sky layer. Now what you have to do, you have to select the rectangle tool and you will choose the blue color stroke or fill color in the property inspector panel. Now simply you have to go to the stage, drag and drop the pointer to fill the color to show the sky. Now simply you will fill the color and you will click on the window menu on the color option and you will see the color palette will open. Simply you click on the drop down list and select the radial gradient option. So there is a radial gradient option. So simply click on that option and you will see there is a blue color in the colors panel. Then set the effect as per your need using the color marker. So you can set the color panel with the help of the color markers. Now what you have to do, you have to simply adjust the particular rectangle with using the free transform tool. So what is the free transform tool that we have studied in our previous class also. With the help of free transform tool, you can resize the shape or any object that is being installed or created in your stage. Next, simply select the sky using the selection tool. Now click on the modify menu. You can click on the modify menu and click on the convert to simple option or simply press the F8 key from your keyboard. The convert symbol dialog box appears and give the name to the object sky and click on OK. So in this manner we have created our layer 1, that is sky layer. Now coming to the layer 2, we will create a new layer by clicking on the new layer button present at the timeline panel and rename this layer as skyscraper. Now again select the rectangle tool and choose the green color as a stroke color and light green color as fill color and simply go to the stage, drag and drop the pointer to draw the grass. Now select the deco tool from the property inspector panel and you can draw the effect such as building brush. Now simply go to the stage and draw some skyscrapers. So you can draw the skyscrapers using the drawing effect section that is present in the property inspector panel. Now you have to lock the sky layer. For locking the sky layer, you have to select the active layer using the free transform tool. Now simply click on the modify menu as shown you previously. Again same step, convert to simple option or simply press the F8 key from your keyboard. The convert symbol dialog box will again appear. Name the object as skyscraper and click on OK. So this was our second layer which we have created and the name for the second layer we have given as skyscrapers. Now we will create a third layer and we will rename the layer as tree. Now select the brush tool in the property inspector panel and choose brown color as stroke color and select the thickness. Now go to the stage, click and draw the bark of the tree as you can see in the figure. Now change the stroke color to dark green color and draw the upper part of the tree. So you can see we have drawn the tree, we have the bark of the tree and we have drawn the upper part of the tree. Now again lock the previous layer, that was our skyscraper, and select the tree using the selection tool. Again click on modify menu, convert to symbol option, the dialog box will appear, rename it and click on OK. So this we created layer 3. Now we are going to create a layer 4. Again click on the new button and rename the layer as ball. Select the oval tool and choose yellow color as fill color. Now go to the stage and click and draw a ball as you can see in the figure. Now go and lock the tree layer. Now again go to the selection tool, click on the modify menu, convert symbol option will appear, and in the dialog box name the object as ball and click on OK. So now we are going to apply the motion tween animation. To apply motion on the created scene, you have to first select the layer ball. So first we will select the layer ball. Right click on it and select the create motion tween option in the shortcut menu. So simply you have to right click on it and select the create motion tween option in the shortcut menu. Now what you have to do? You have to drag the playhead to frame 70. So simply drag the red color rectangle you can see in the diagram also to frame 70. Now click and drag the ball to the right side of the stage. A motion path appears. As you can see, there is a dotted line. So this is a motion path that appears on the stage. Now click on the frame 70 in each layer. So in each layer you have to click on the frame 70. Now you have to insert a new frame by clicking on the insert menu, timeline option, frame option. Now extend the skyscraper and tree layers so that they could show up during animation. So simply you have to extend the skyscraper and tree layers which we have already made. Now simply again go to the control menu. We have a test movie option present in the control menu, present in the menu tab. And you can see in the flash professional option, you can notice the ball moves on the created motion path. So you can see the ball will move on the created motion path. Now next coming to the next topic, that is masking in flash. Now coming to the main topic of your chapter, that is masking in flash. What do you mean by masking? Masking in flash is somewhat similar to a real mask. The mask feature is used to create special animation effect. A mask layer acts as a frame or a hole through which you can selectively show or hide the content on a layer behind it. So basically you can show or hide the content on a layer behind it using the mask layer option present in the flash. Now how to create a mask layer? In order to understand the concept, you have to create an animation using a mask layer. So for this we will create again new flash documents. Go to the property inspector panel. In the properties again select on the stage and color box and choose green color for the stage. Now go to the stage and click on it. You can see the stage will fill with green color. So you can see the stage background have been filled with green color. Now you can import any image of the playground by clicking on the file menu, import option or import to the stage option. So we can import any image that is present in your computer from the import option that is present in your file menu. Now use the free transform tool to resize or move the image. So you can move the image or you can resize it using the free transform tool. To convert the image of a playground to a symbol, now you have to click on the modify option and convert to option symbol that is already present in the menu tab. Now you can see a dialog box will appear. Name the object as playground and click on OK. Now with the help of selection tool, drag the image to the left side on the stage. So we will drag the image to the left hand side of the stage. Now right click on the frame 1 and you will create motion tween option in the shortcut menu. So you can see there is a motion tween option present in the shortcut menu. Again drag the playhead to frame 70. So I'll drag my playhead to frame 70. Now select the image and drag it to the right side of the stage. So I will drag it and move it on the right hand side of the stage. Now click on the new layer button to insert a new layer and rename the layer as mask layer. So now I'm going to insert a new layer and going to give the name it as mask layer. Now choose the oval tool in the tools panel and select the desired stroke and fill color. Simply click and drag on the stage and you can see you have drawn an oval on the stage. Now using the free transform tool, bring the oval in the center of the stage. Ensure the width of the oval is larger than the image of the playground. Now again, right click on the mask layer and select the mask option in the context menu. The mask layer is converted into a flash mask layer. This layer will mask the layer beneath it. Both the layers are now automatically locked. Remember, a mask layer must contain only a single graphic element such as a shape or graphical symbol. Now what you have to do, simply click on the control menu, go to the test movie option. In the flash professional option, you can preview the animation. So notice the playground image moves across the stage and passes through the oval. So you will see the image moves across the stage. So this is how you can mask layers in Flash. You can simply show or hide any content on the layer behind it. Next, coming to the main topic, that is onion skin tool. This tool displays a dim or faint image of previous frames, which helps in placing the image in the current frame with reference to previous frame. So this tool is used to display dim or faint image of the previous frame. So we have the onion tool that is present at the bottom of the timeline. This option shows the dim image of surrounded frames in full color. So we can see a dim image of surrounded frames in full color. Then we have onion skin outlines. It is available next to the onion tool. This option shows only the outline of the image or object surrounded frame. So we can only see the outline of the image over here. So this tool is quite beneficial in frame by frame animation method. So we can do frame by frame animation using this tool. Now let us create an animation using an onion skin tool. To create an animation, first you have to open your Flash document and fill the stage with any background color and draw an image using the drawing tool. So you can see the example in the figure. I have changed my stage with the background color of light pink color and I have drawn an image using my drawing tool. Now to convert the created image into symbol, you have to simply press the F8 key from your keyboard, or you can go to the modify button that is present in the menu bar. Now same, again the dialog box will appear. Give a name to the object and select graphic option in the type drop down list and click on OK. Now go to the selection tool in the tools panel, drag the pointer around the image to select it. So we'll drag the pointer to select it using the selection tool. Again, to convert the image into symbol, again you have to press the F8 key from your keyboard. The convert to symbol dialog box will appear. Give it a name. Again select the graphic option in the type drop down list and click on OK. And rename this layer 1 as snowman. So I am renaming this layer as snowman. Now click on the onion skin tool that is present on the timeline. Select frame 2 and right click on it. You can see select the insert keyframe option in the shortcut menu. So you will click on the insert keyframe option in the shortcut menu and choose the selection tool. Click on the image to select it. Move the image slightly towards the right on the stage in order to show the movement. So you will move the image slightly towards the right of the stage. Now you have to repeat all the steps till frame 25. So you have to repeat this step till frame 25. So we have started from frame 2 and now we will go to frame number 25. So be sure you are making slight changes in each frame. You have to move the image very slightly to make the changes in each frame. Now click on the control menu, test movie option. In the Flash Professional you can see the movement of the snowman. So this completes your chapter. So students, the main topic that we have covered in this video is the onion skin tool, masking in Flash, and how to create an animation using the Flash CS6 Professional. So this completes your chapter. Thank you students.